Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Macau, beautiful, beautiful Macau. Calçada Centro de São Lázaro. That's in Portuguese, but basically it means like the central sidewalk street of St. Lazarus. So this is actually a part of Macau. I'll put it on the map, so it's behind me on the map, and then we'll do a little bit of a preview of it. And I think this one I'm going to put it to some music as well. So you're going to see like two things. One is me talking about it, and you got that preview already, and then music with a preview, and then I narrate and I walk around with the camera, and then you can hear my reaction as I kind of walk and talk through the whole experience of being in this area. And anyways, this is kind of an interesting area. It's kind of where the new Portuguese settlement began after the historical Portuguese settlement, and they started building, I think it was 1800s, they started building this area. They call it the Lazarus district. Okay, I know you just want to see it, so let's go see it. Pew!
Oh mama cow, it's been a while without thinking of you, Macau, but the thought makes me smile. Oh mama cow, I really want to see you, Macau. Can you show me, Macau?
Okay, so that street says Calçada Centro de São Lázaro, and we're kind of up above that right now. Just to give you some context, there's a fortress that's up at the top of this one, Mont Fortress, and then there's Kyungwoo Hospital, which is down this way right here, and then down this way is São Lázaro. So there's a whole neighborhood down this way called São Lázaro. And we're gonna walk down the central street of São Lázaro to kind of show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is the Calçada Centro de São Lázaro. Calçada means like sidewalk, so you can see all these beautiful murals. And we're gonna walk directly down into the São Lazarus district. And just again, real quick, the fortress is up there, Mont Fortress. Sao Paulo Ruins is right on the other side of that. So they would be on the other side of this building. Some kind of cool stuff up here as well, including Kyungwoo Hospital, which is right over there. And we're going to be going downhill into this other area called São Lázaro. And São Lázaro kind of has, it's like an area that came about, I think in the 1800s was when it first started. So we're going to come on down to this little plaza in here. And then we'll show you. Then ultimately we're going to end up in São Lázaro, Lazarus gift shop. So we're just going to show you some of the stuff around here. And then we're going to be going down directly down that way. But before we go down, we also have some little Becco de Lázaro. And I'm just going to try to give you the whole area of stuff that's around here. Including these little beccos, because you can see somebody has this space, right? And they put a garden up here. That is some of the Lázaro historical buildings. And then these are just random apartments. Check out how giant that tree is. Becco de Lázaro. Okay. Check out these root systems. And we are going to keep on going down this way. And actually right at the end is that's like Brandau Street. So we're going to go down that way in a minute. But we're also going to go down this street as well. So this is also part of this little patio de Lázaro. So we had Becco and we have patio. Kind of funny. And I'm not going to walk all the way down this particular patio, but you can see that there's a Thai restaurant right here. Hard Chill. I think this used to have another name too, but you can drink right here, outside even. And then there's a bar inside. And I think if you go upstairs, you can also see some other signs as well. I think that whole corner used to be a bar all the way around like that. So now we're going to go directly downhill, and just kind of give you a little bit of reference. This street is called Rua de Brandau, but this is still our target street. But if you notice, the street goes down like this. It goes all the way down, and then it goes all the way back up. And over on that other side, it's called Lázaro. Oh, sorry, São Januário. And it's a hospital. And we're gonna walk down there, and then we're gonna look back up again in a moment. Yeah, I really like this. Like actually, if you're over on that side too, like you can look back and you can see the same concave. So whenever I see it from that side or this side, I always feel like it's kind of special. And check this out, there's even some nice balconies like this one. Somebody that owns those balconies, right? And the stairs that go all the way up. And then there's even like a little home right here too, right? So believe it or not, there's a home right in the corner like that. Somebody built that at some point. There's our little balconies and such. And then we're almost at the end of our street. So this will actually turn into another street as we go down. So this is a part of the Lázaro area as well. And we're just going to kind of show you some of the stuff down here. So this one is St. Michael. Just kind of get out of the street a little bit. Then as you can see, we still got more balconies, and we still have our street name right there too. So we're going to go down our street, let that taxi go down. The hustler car. It's funny, usually I kind of ignore the cars. I don't really have any interest. So they're kind of like a blemish in my videos to me. And I try to avoid them, but then I guess actually they could be kind of cool too. This is all part of this Lázaro area. This is St. Roque Street. St. Roque. And then right here, there's actually a cafe. It's called 3 Sardines. Hello. So called Tres Sardinas. And it's relatively new. I think it's like maybe 1 year old. But I'm not going to go into it today. But it's also just down the hill from, so this is also part of the Lazarus district. There's some cool stuff everywhere. And I believe the street ends on Brandau, so we're gonna go all the way down to Brandau, which is just only, I think it's just 1 block away at this point. This boutique shop right there with clothing. Gonna keep on walking down. Yeah, it's quite photogenic. Very photogenic area. Another boutique shop. This is another Lazarus street. I'm gonna keep on going all the way down. Let me cross over here. Construction right there. See him right there? Doesn't look very safe. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. And then this is gonna be the base of our street. And then it's going to turn into Brandau. But this whole area is called Lazarus. So now it goes into Brandau, so our Lazarus street ends, and then Brandau street begins. And then this one, you can go up over the street and then up all the way up that way. You got some nice chairs in here as well. Nice little space. And that was our Target Street right there. Oh wow, pigs. Oh, there's some nice artwork everywhere here too. That one, and then I saw this one that has like a little girl eating pizza of pigs. But actually that's a clothing shop. Okay, so we're gonna end our street. And actually this used to have a really cool spot with these big giant windows, but it's closed now. Probably just temporary. Great location. And that's our Target Street.